What's going on, guys? Hope all is well. Today is April 28th, 2023, Friday. Happy Friday. I'm going to a house that has, I believe, 6 systems, it says. And some of them aren't working right. So we'll go check it out. I think I was here like 2 years ago. It might be like a farm. But we'll see what it is. I guess I go down this way. Oh, yeah, there we go. Mess. Observation. There's no drains in here. This has been draining into the basement. I just pulled this filter out. The customer has their own filters, but it's not cooling properly because, watch, this whole return's gonna fall when I take this top screw out. So this is so you gotta open this door. Look at that. It goes out like that. I mean, it is a basement, but still, I'm not a big fan. Well, what else could be wrong? There's, like I said, I think there's 5 systems here. They're not cooling properly. We'll start this guy up. I gotta tell her about this. I mean, that's crazy. How do they not know this? I mean, it is a crawl space, but still. You can't do that. I provided filters. These doors were off. Filters, not the end of the world, but it's pretty bad, that one. This one here is pretty bad. So I'm going to make some unions here. Flush out these traps. Who knows what they're like. All right, so this is zoned kitchen and library under construction. Let's filter some shot. So I'm going to cut these open and flush them out, because I bet they haven't been drained. Now it can be cleaned. So when it comes to do a maintenance, I mean, it could be, you could take the, you know, you can flush it with hot water in the pan, but these first companies are nightmares because they don't come off properly. I guess you could do it, take the housing off, take the top off and do it down, but it's simple to do it like that. Oh yeah. Turn this light off. Ceiling vent, so we're gonna go to the attic. This does the attic where I just walked up. This does the floor I just walked up from, the middle floor. So it goes down. So this is the thermostat I just turned on. Bro, look at this. Of course it's not cooling. Wow. This probably hasn't been changed since 81. 1981, I bet you. Wow, bro. I'll put a nice one in there. Shot. Just came out of this one. Washable. Throwing a reusable in there. Oh my god. What these coils look like. I have to come back and do a maintenance. It's better, but I'm here for cooling. This is unbelievable. I'm down to 58 in this attic. I'll bring that up. You need a pilot's license to work these things. This thing's not even on the wall right. Wow. So guys, the original one without the drain, it's been unplugged for a reason, but I don't have time to get into it right now because I gotta go to the other 5 units. Okay, so here we are. We got some units running. Before I turn on. Check this capacitor. $45 looks could be deceiving. Wow. Damn. Still good. 5 and 5. Guy, really? All right, here we go. $42. $45 is supposed to be. $42 also. I'll go to my 5. Mikey, pitch up my sister. There we go. That's good. So the herms are bad on this one. And this one are weak. They're not bad, but gotta recommend them. Till I zap myself. So rusted. Come on, guy, give me a reading. Oh, that's weak. 25 is supposed to be 45. Running. This is the one I turned off in the attic. I'm gonna go check temp split at all of them. I'm not gonna check pressures. There's R22, and if my temp split's good, I'm gonna be good, because I think those filters, The capacitor here, definitely at 25. But those filters were disgusting. But let me go take temp split, temp drop. Come on, cuz, you think? Turn the zone off. Yeah, bro. It's not always refrigerant. Not cooling. Now it is. Filters. Little TLC. I know this is the living room I can market. We gotta come back and look at another day, tomorrow maybe, or Monday, because this is the one that's right back there that I was saying somebody had disconnected. So I didn't have time to do it. I had too many systems to go through. You need to be Sullenberger to work this thing. Just plug this in. I want to test it. I have time. It's only 3:30, so I'll go upstairs and use that fake Nest Google thing and see if it turns on. I mean, maybe it froze last year, or maybe because of the drain. Maybe because they didn't have a drain and somebody with halfway decent intelligence unplugged it. But let's see. Wow, I'm getting good at it. I think I am. Wow, this thing is ridiculous. Whoever did this is a shadow. Straight up shadow. Get out of here, bro. Why was it unplugged? Because it has to be because of that drain. Let me see. Forget about it. It's actually cold. Wow. I don't know. It's weird to me. But it's not weird because of the drain thing. But at the same time, they need cooling next week. But we're going to come back in a day or two with a condensate pump because I only have 208 condensate pump. I don't have a 110, so 120, 115, whatever. And we'll have to pipe it in. And I mean, I guess he said it's been working like that for years, but I can't in good conscience leave that running like that. It's just, it can't be healthy breathing it in, you know. But let me go check the temp split upstairs in the bedroom and try to use that thermostat again. Room temp 65 degrees. Let's go in the bathroom over here. Set it to 60. Wow. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, Spider. Let's go get me a Cuddy Shark and do a little dance with me. You look like Steppin' Fetcher. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That was a basic call that said my house isn't cooling and I have 6 systems. There was one more in their barn garage / office that I didn't show. But